Percentage increase and decrease. We're going to increase £80 by 30%. We start off with 100%. We add on 30%, and our new amount is 130%. So what we need to do then is multiply 80 by 130%. All that is 80 times by 130 over 100. But we could rewrite this as 1.3 or 1.30, and that multiplication factor is what we're going to be looking at for the rest of this particular exercise. So we do 80 times by 1.3 and we get £104. So after the increase, that £80 is now £104, and just simple arithmetic there, we've got a £24 increase. But the multiplication factor was 1.3. The multiplication factor, if we increase by 31%, we times by, well, 30% was 1.3 or 1.30, 31%, 1.31. An increase of 5%, same idea, we multiply by, a common mistake here is to say 1.5, but it isn't. 5% onto 100% is 105%, which is 1.05. Same idea for decrease. We start off with our 100%, we're decreasing by 14%, so we take it away, and we end up with 86%. So this forms our multiplication factor, which is going to be, you could again write 86 over 100, but as a decimal, that's 0.86, and that's the one I'm going to use. So we have 60 times by 0.86 equals, well, it gives us this 258 over 5, so we need to use the SD button to change that into £51.60. Remember to put the extra 0 on there because we're talking about money. Same idea with these decreases here. A decrease of 20%. Well, again, we're starting with 100%. Take away 20% leaves us with 80%. So that's a multiplication factor of 0.8 or 0.80. A decrease of 7%. 100 take away 7 is 93%. So our multiplication factor is 0.93.